It's September 12th, 2009, and we had a pretty strong windstorm yesterday, and unfortunately I lost one of my corn stalks. This was a Gallina from Ecuador. That's the type of race it is, Gallina. And this one unfortunately fell over. It actually broke right at the base. Lost a lot of plants here. You can actually see the base of the plant, what's left, about 10 inches stalk left here, still in the ground, snapped right off. You can see right here at the top. I had it tied to this pole, but ripped right off. So we'll check out, see how long it is. Put the tape measure here to the end of it. See how long it is. So there's 10 inches left in the ground. So we'll extend this out. Nine, 11 foot, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, about 19 foot. Let's see where the tassel is in here. There's the tassel. So the peak of the tassel is at about 18.5 foot. This hasn't even extended yet. You can see all the leaves that are still left on this that never actually extended out. So this easily would have made it to 12 foot. Let's get see how long that is. All the way to the house, down out to here. It's a shame. This is definitely a great variety to grow. Gallina has some of the highest ear heights I've ever seen on a maize. I've seen ears about 17 foot mark on these. Very good variety to grow. This one I feel would have easily reached 20 foot. Fortunately, we'll never know. Probably could have been several feet over. There's quite a few leaves we have in here. Here's one here. Another one. Another. Some more. As you can see, there's quite a few ears. And the tassel was hiding inside here. Alright. Better luck next year.